Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanasia, if you already haven't known. So these two these two videos are going to basically be about hauls. So if you just came from the other haul, oh, thank you very much. Because you see me wearing my Mac Miller shirt again. And you're like, why are you wearing the same Mac Miller shirt? Because I said in my last video, if you didn't watch, that I'm going to be doing another unboxing, which I'm excited to actually wear. I am obsessed with her. I love her. I love their channel. It is Heather and Terrell. And I had to go and get me some little bit of things to support my girl, Sorella. So we're going to get into the short little mini haul, and I'm excited for it. I'm excited. You hear that? I'm excited. So when we first opened the box, this is all my goodies. And I'm excited. First off, can't go wrong with wrapping paper. I need wrapping paper. So I was like, I might as well get me some wrapping paper. You can't go wrong. And I see this in her vlogs. And so I will be shopping in Sorella for Christmas. So all my friends out there, you're gonna be getting some good shit. I have the biker shorts and the cute little top, but it's the fall time, and my boobs are too big as of right now, so I can't wear it. But I'm gonna wear it somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Then I got me. Oh my God! Look at the package. Yes, I definitely had to. I had to come through. This is a black reversible rib jumpsuit, and it's one size. So it's basically one size fit all. Yeah, you cannot go wrong, my dude. You cannot go wrong. I also got a Love is Universal hat. I'm obsessed with fitted hats. I'm going back to my tomboy status because I'm a fitted girl to the max. That's just me. That's how I do it, and you can't go wrong. Oh, listen, then I had to get me some lip gloss. And then I also had to get me a 93 pendant necklace because I'm born in 1993. So we're gonna open this. This is a 1993. Oh my gosh. And then this is the lip gloss. Look at that. Yeah. Loving it. And then last but not least, I have to take this out. I'm not done. I had to. And you just saying it's just an average orange sweat shirt. No. What the fuck does that say? It says girls tour. What? Significance. The material, I'm gonna be warm forever. And I have to get more. I have to get the sweatpants, but bitch is broke. So you gotta do what you gotta. Oh my God, it's warm. I need to take pictures. Listen. Girls tour. Listen. So I have legit, the total that it came out to was $107.50. They give you a cute little packing slip. I'm actually excited for it. So basically the 93 pendant necklace was $9. The lip gloss Clear Honey is $1.50. The Sorella wrapping paper is $8. The OG Girls Tour orange on orange hoodie, which is an extra large, is $55. The black reversible rib jumpsuit was $15, and the Love is Universal trucker hat, which is $19, which came up to $107.50. The shipping fee is $0 because I spend more than what I was supposed to, and I got free shipping. So, and then what they do is they give you a little stuff. I'm not gonna show you all that, and I get like this is a coupon, but there's also a how to return, and you can do your thing. No one's returning anything, so at the end of the day, I'm satisfied with my order. We good. We good. So who's returning? Not me. The hell. So yeah. As you can see, I'm excited for this unboxing. Sorella never lets me down when it comes to their materials. I had their bike boxers, and I had their top and their bottoms, and also I had something else of Sorella back in 2018 when I went to California, and I was excited. I spent mostly kind of like close to $175 for every single thing, and I was really obsessed. I still have them. I still keep my stuff, and I kept their bag, their white bag that says Sorella, for almost 3 years, and I had to, and I had to basically discard it. I'm so sorry, Heather. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out all my other videos that I will be linking in the description box below, so you guys to keep you updated on every single thing, every single video that I posted. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and peace out.